Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This question, October 7, paper 6. And the topic is permutation combination. You can see clearly. And question 6 says here, 6 digits we have, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, can be arranged to give many different 6-digit numbers. How many 6-digit numbers can be made? 2 marks. So let's try, do it. One thing is very clear. So what is the method to do it? You can do directly even, or I always make a box method. Okay. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, 7 boxes. So first, these boxes are not compulsory, but anyway, you can see that these 7 digits can come here in these boxes. So what is method? So 7P7, sorry, 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 digits, sorry, not 7. Because October 7 in my mind, that is why I'm thinking that. And let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 7. Okay. I have to erase 1. Okay. So it means 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6P6 and divided by, it is a very clear, you know it very well, normal pattern is that if there's repeating numbers, because 7 repeats 3 times, you can see 7 repeats 3 times. So 3P3, this come from here, okay? So that is why 6P6 divided by 3P3, 3P3. And if you check in calculator, it is giving us 120. So first part is not tough here to do it. Part number 2 is a little tricky. That is why part number 2 has 4 marks. So let's see how we can do part 2. He's saying how many 6-digit numbers can start with odd number, ends with odd number. So now I can do one thing. This box, wait a minute. I copy and I paste here. Okay, paste image. Okay, wait a minute. Repeat again. Just a minute, students. Copy image. Paste. So we have a 3 pasting here. You know why I tell you a 3 pasting? I tell you what is the logic behind. Okay, 3 pasting. Okay, this is done. Now have a look here. What is the logic behind it? You will come to know, inshallah. Okay. So now you know what is the technique, because he said odd number. How many odd numbers we have? 4 is even number, cancel it. You can see in the top. 6 is an even number, cancel it. So actually we have a 5. We have a 5 and 3 sevens are there. If I start with a 5 and with a 7, there's a one option. Okay. If I start with a, okay, let me check repetition. I think he did not mention that here, repetition allowed or not. When he not mentioned repetition allowed, we will not take it. And if I start with the 5 and end with the 5, not possible. Okay, if I start with a 7, end with the 5. Or if I start with a 7, ends with a 7. Reason very because there are more than 1 to 7s are available. So 1 7 can come here, 1 7 can come here. So if, and you know, when I block 5 here, blocking, this is called blocking. And I block here, I mean, this is called blocking here, 7 block here. So these digits are not more, look, 5 I erased, 7 I erased, not available anymore. And what available now, check it, 4, 6 and double 7. So 4, 6 and double 7. So available here. 4, 6 and double 7. So 4P4 divided by 2P2. You ask why 2P2? Because 2 number digits are repeating only. That's it. And what about this? When you talk about the other one, let me check the other one. If I took 7 from here and 5 from here. Same story. It is the same story. Again, two sevens are repeating. So I think it is again clear. I'm writing 4p4 divided by 2p2. Last option, if both sevens consumed here and here, no letter repeating. So you see, no letter repeating. So I will write only 4p4. I will not divide by 4, okay? And if you check it, this answer is 12. This is also 12. And 4p4 is 24. You know it very well. And if I add them together, I get a 48. And I hope so the concept is clear and the question is completely over.